So today we're in the kitchen. We're going to be using some of our own brand products. We've got Sysco Classic, Sysco Premium and Sysco Essentials, and we're going to be showing the broad range of uses for them and the versatility and the quality of the products. So first up, I'm going to show you really simple, easy dishes using this Sysco Essentials Hot Smoked Salmon. Really delicious, already broken down off the skin for you. Beautiful flesh. Big chunks. I'm going to do scrambled eggs, hot smoked salmon on some charred sourdough as a lovely little breakfast brunch dish using these Sysco Essentials hot smoked salmon. Nice. I'm going to use these lovely British free range eggs for our scrambled eggs. So we've got our beautiful free-range British eggs in here. I'm just going to season it up with a little bit of salt and ground black pepper, again from Sysco Classics. So I've got a little bit of butter melting here for going into our scrambled eggs, and a dash of double cream just for extra richness, and let that melt down, and then we'll fold that into our eggs. So I'm going to cook these eggs old school over a bain-marie. Just as the eggs are thickening, I'm going to add my butter and cream in. So I'm just going to fold through some of this chive through the egg. And there we've got our delicious British scrambled eggs. These delicious chunks of hot smoked salmon onto the dish. And that is our British scrambled eggs with hot smoked salmon from Sysco Essentials. So next up in our Sysco Essentials lineup, we are going to do a very simple hot smoked salmon beetroot salad, all component build. I've picked out some beautiful chunks of that hot smoked salmon there. I've got some pre-cooked beetroot which I've sliced up, made some quarters, and I'm just going to bring together a lovely little starter dish. So we've got some nice yoghurt here to form some of the dressing. I've got a nice bit of lemon oil on these beetroots. I'm going to chuck some pre-toasted mixed seeds in here, and then I'm going to add a little bit more pumpkin seed, which is from the Sysco Classic range, onto these, and then I'm just going to put it together. Beautiful salmon just breaking off, flaking. Just get the last of that lemon oil and beetroot juice mixed together with those seeds to drop over the top. And then just to finish, a little bit of micro cress. And that is our super quick, super simple beetroot and hot smoked salmon salad from the Sysco Essential range. Next up, we're going to do a hot smoked salmon linguine pasta with garlic, chilli and parsley. I've got these garlic, chilli and parsley already done, frozen, chopped. I'm just going to roll that straight into the sauce, and the sauce base is essentially a extra virgin oil base, so nice high quality olive oil that we've got here. The pasta is blanched, cooked already, frozen portions, so I'm just going to refresh them back in some boiling water, and then I'm going to drop this Sysco Essentials hot smoked salmon back into that and dish together. So I'm going to drop these pastas back in some boiling salted water, and then I'm going to start with the sauce. Got chilli here, garlic, dropping that straight in frozen and letting it come back to life in the oil. Now, I stand to be corrected here, but I'm pretty certain that this base is called aglio olio peperoncino, the Italians, but I guarantee I'll get some backlash.
Could you say it with a bit more gusto?
Aglio olio peperoncino. And then I'm finally just going to finish that one with a bit of the chopped parsley. And when our pasta's boiling, we'll drain that off. So we've got our pasta here. Super simple, delicious, all those flavours. And then I'm going to drop that hot smoked salmon onto the top. And that is our linguine pasta with garlic, chili, parsley and hot smoked salmon.